So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about Fundingpips. Fundingpips Prime. You guys have been flooding me with questions. What is Fundingpips Prime? What is wrong with Fundingpips? What are the changes? What are the goods? What are the bad? So in today's video, I'm gonna be basically going through the website. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much everything that is new to Fundingpips. And yeah, if you are trading with Fundingpips or you are planning to trade the Fundingpips, this video is for you. And before you say, who is this guy talking about Fundingpips all of a sudden? Yes, I'm AstuceFX. I made well over $160,000 in payout from Fundingpips. So yes, I kind of know what I'm talking about, right? So let's get into it. But before we talk about what are the changes that Fundingpips has, let's look at what Fundingpips actually is. Fundingpips is basically a prop firm, right? A prop firm is just a trading company where you give your money to the company and they give you a demo account, not a real account, a demo account. You prove to them that you are a good trader, and once you do, then they now tell you that if you make any money on the account they give it to you, then you're getting the commission that you made, right? So if you're able to somehow make $1,000, you can get up to 100% or sometimes 80% of the money you made there. So that's basically what prop firm is. But if you want to understand in detail what a prop firm is, then feel free to go and check my website AstuceFX.com. I have a full free trading series and prop firm series there. Go and check that out, right? So now let's get into Fundingpips Prime. What is Fundingpips Prime and what are some of the details they have? So let's try to go through the website right here, right? So basically this is the Fundingpips website. They kind of updated it, and I mean it looks pretty good, right? So now let's click on the Prime. What is Fundingpips Prime? Fundingpips Prime is for those people that want to like make money and then they want the freedom. That's really important. They want to scale up. They want to they want to feel like they are trading their own personal account. That's basically what Fundingpips Prime is. So now let me break it down for you. Fundingpips Prime is basically like a scaling plan for you people, right? Assuming that if you buy a $10,000 account from Fundingpips, which is gonna cost you, I don't know, about $50 or something. So that account you buy there, for a normal prop firm, you trade, you get paid, you trade, you get paid, and that's basically how it is. And if you blow, then that account is gone, right? So that's how we've been using trading prop firm. So now with Fundingpips Prime, a lot of things changes. So I'm gonna explain to you guys step by step how the Fundingpips Prime works, right? So the first thing here is that when you buy an account, assuming that in this case, let's assume that you buy a 10K account, right? Let's say if you buy a 10K account from Fundingpips, then you're able to pass phase 1, pass phase 2, then you get a live account. But if you don't pass phase 1 or pass phase 2, then you're going to blow the account and you lose your challenge fee. So understand the rules, when you get an account from a prop firm. So if you do pass phase 1, pass phase 2, get a live account, and then now the live funded account stage, you have to choose your reward cycle. How often do you get paid? Do you want to get paid on weekly basis, on monthly basis, on bi-weekly basis? You have to choose that by yourself. So assuming that you're choosing 80% bi-weekly payout, right? So every 2 weeks you get paid. So you have first reward, second reward, third reward, fourth reward, all the way as far as you can keep making reward on the account, right? So the first reward goes to you, okay? So assuming that the first payout, like after 2 weeks, if you're able to maybe make like $1,000, you're gonna get paid $800. That's how the system works. Now the second payout as well is the same thing, right? Assuming that if you make $100, you can get paid $80, right? That's the second payout. So the second payout as well, you get it. On the third payout, also you get it. So if you make probably $120 or $130, you can get 80% of that. So it takes every 2 weeks for you to get paid, But now, what is Prime? With Prime, you actually gonna get your first payout, you're gonna get your second payout, you're gonna get your third payout, but on your fourth payout, you have the option, okay? I'm saying option because it's optional. If you want to take the Prime path, you can go. If you don't want to take the Prime, you can keep trading and wait every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, So if you want the Prime account, what happens is, on your fourth reward, you're not gonna get that payout, okay? That payout will be deposited to a personal account, okay? And then you'll be able to trade, and then you can get paid daily, okay? Let me break it down for you really simple. Assuming that your fourth payout is probably like $1,000. Assuming that you make $1,000 on your fourth payout, which is like what, 10%, right? So for it to even get scale up through Prime, the minimum is 2% and then the maximum is 10%. So you have to make anywhere from 2% to 10% for you to be eligible for Prime. So once you are eligible for Prime, then you choose whether you want to like scale up to Prime or not. So assuming that you get scale up to Prime, right? So in this case here, let's say that you have the 10K account, right? And then let's say that you make a profit of $1,000. So that your $1,000 profit you make there, they will multiply. There's a multiplier. They'll multiply that your $1,000 payout by 10. So you're gonna get a $10,000 Prime account. Okay, you're gonna get what, a $10,000 Prime account. So to make it simple, first payout you're gonna get it, second payout you're gonna get it, third payout you're gonna get it, fourth payout you have the option. Do you want to get the payout, or do you want it to scale up for you? So if you're on your fourth payout, you make $1,000 and you choose to get a Prime account, then that $1,000 will be multiplied by 10 and then it will be given it to you, and then you can trade it as a Prime account. So you're not gonna get your fourth payout, but I think you can still get your refund of your challenge fee, if I'm not mistaken. So now, assuming that you get your Prime account, right? If you get your Prime account, what are the advantages and what are the bad side of getting a Prime account? So let's get into it. Once you have your $10,000 Prime account, you're gonna be having a 10% overall drawdown, but it's a smart drawdown. So that smart drawdown means that it will trail. Okay, it's like a trailing drawdown, but it doesn't trail all the way all the time. It only trails by 5%. So if you make profit 5%, if you trail by 5%, it will just lock at 5%. So you will not keep trailing, or like it will not keep trailing. It will just trail by 5%. So the daily loss is 2%. So you cannot lose more than 2% a day. So you'll ask me, if you're not losing 2% a day, that means that if you lose 2%, do you lose your account? No, you don't lose your account. Since Prime account is like a real account, the platform wants to make sure that you are not gonna lose the whole money in a day. So they put you a 2% soft daily drawdown. Meaning that if you do hit the 2% loss, you are just not allowed to trade the same day. You just come back tomorrow and you resume trading. So it will just lock your account for the day, and tomorrow you come back and you can continue trading. So it's more or less like a security protocol that doesn't allow you to just lose all your account in a day, basically. And I think that's a smart move. So this is basically some of the rules you have on the live account, right, or the Prime account. Max loss 10%, right, and then the daily loss, which is 2%, and it's a soft daily loss. Aside that, man, you have all the things you can do. You can hold trade overnight, you can hold trade over the weekend, you can do anything. You basically have no rules aside that. You don't have any rule. And the leverage is up to 2,000. Yes, 1 to 2,000 leverage on a profit account. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, you getting 1 to 2,000 leverage, and then your profit split is 70%. Instead of 80% now, it's gonna be 70%. But the good thing is you have daily payout. Means that if you trade today and then you make money, you can request payout the same day. Tomorrow you trade again, you make money, you request for a payout. Next month, like you don't have like a payout cycle. You can request payout every single day. You see, daily payout, 1 to 2,000 leverage. That's crazy. So these are some of the things you have to understand. So profit split 80%, daily payout, and now the account gets scaled up by 30% every single time you make 10% on the account. So if you have, remember, let's try to scroll down here. Let's look at this. So you have a $10,000 Prime account, right? So this 10,000 Prime account, once you do hit the 10% profit target, that means that you're actually gonna get paid $700 because you're getting paid 70%. Right, 70% profit split. So now you'll be asking, like, why are you only getting paid 70%? Because that 30% left will be used to scale up your account. So that's you're gonna get paid 70%. So that 70% you get here, there is $300, right, that is taken out from your money. You made $1,000, instead of getting paid 1,000, you're gonna get paid 700. So 300 is taken out. That 300 is now added back to your account. Is multiplied by 10. So instead of you having a $10,000 account, once you do hit 10% profit target, the next account you're gonna get is $13,000. So your next account size is going to be $13,000, and then the next account you're going to have 16,000, 20,000. You can scale all the way to 100,000. So even a $10,000 account, as far as you can keep hitting 10% consistently, and you don't have to hit 10% in a day. I mean, you can trade even for a whole month, and as far as you hit 10% overall on all the payout you made, then directly you get scale up to the next level, which is really good. So this is basically what Prime is about. You get paid, and then on your first payout you can choose whether you want a Prime or not. If you do get Prime, then you have daily loss, which is 2%, soft, meaning that you don't lose your account for daily loss, maximum loss, which is 10%, and that trails by half of it. And then the payout cycle, daily payout at 70% profit split. That's really good. 1 to 2,000 leverage, and your account gets scaled up every single time you make 10%. That's really good. So this is basically some of the rules that Prime has, and I think if you do get all the way to this level 10, you are now eligible to be with on trading. Like, investors can actually come and invest, and then you can actually trade for investors as well. So for me right now, as I'm making this video, I have one account with Fundingpips, the 100K account. So I'm currently going for my second payout here. So if I do get for my fourth payout, and then if I do make a good amount of money, I'm probably gonna get the Prime account to see how things look like. So this is so far what I know about Prime. Let me know if you guys like it or hate it. And yes, that would be pretty much it. And by the way, the World Cup is right now, so if you want to predict the World Cup, come here, you're able to predict the World Cup. Like right now, I predicted that Korean Republic and the Czech Republic are going to draw. Okay, so let's see whether it's gonna be a draw or not. And the reason why I want you guys to join this is because if you predict really well overall, you can win a $10,000 cash and a $20,000 Prime account. Prime account, daily payout. Remember, daily payout. Yes, everything is happening in this. So if you guys want to get your account with Fundingpips, feel free to use the coupon code AstuceFX and use the link below this video to get your account. And I think that would be pretty much it. And by the way, if you want to get any account from Fundingpips, feel free to go and check the FAQ. That's where all the rules are. So if you want to make sure that you're following the rules, get paid and everything, feel free to go through the FAQ as well. That'll be pretty much it. See you guys on my next trading content.